Okay, students, today the topic of our video is parts of speech. So, we'll discuss 8 parts of speech in detail. The first one is noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. It refers to the name of something. Like, for example, Pakistan, John, Apple. The second one is pronoun. Pronoun is used in place of noun. Like, for example, we can say that John eats apple, and we can also say that he eats apple. So it basically replaces a noun. Adjective. Adjective is a word that changes a noun or pronoun. For example, caring mother. Now, caring here is an adjective. Adverb. Adverb is a word that changes a verb, adjective, adverb, or a sentence. Like, for example, we can say walk slowly. Now, slowly is an adverb here. Verb. Verb is a word that describes an action that is happening or happens regularly. Like he eats orange. So, eats here is a verb. Preposition. Preposition is a word that shows relationship between different parts of a sentence. Like, for example, he goes to school. Now to here is a preposition word. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word that connect parts of sentences, different parts of a sentence. Like, for example, me and my mother. So here and basically connects me with my mother, and it's a conjunction word. Interjunction. Interjunction is a word that is used to express feelings or greeting someone or giving a command. Like, for example, wow, that's a good news. That's a great news. So here wow is a word that expresses someone's feelings. So wow is an interjunction word. So this is our today's lesson of parts of speech. I hope you understand. If you like our video, then please like and subscribe our channel, and you can also write your comment in comment section. Thank you.